2011 Caprice, Kooks headers with cats, stock factory mufflers, TSP2, E85, underdrive pulley, ported intake throttle body. And who did the heads again on this one, Dusty?
LME, late model engine.
Late model engine heads, okay. And a little bit more than stock compression. The exhaust actually sounds pretty good going through the stock mufflers and cats. So Dusty, give me a quick rev. Hey Dusty, let me hear them pipes. All right, a quick snippet here. At this point, we had made E85 93 pulls. We got it dialed in perfectly, but it only made 436, which is still good for a small TSP cam. Ported intake, ported throttle bodies, and a stock. It has a rebuilt motor, but it's built to stock specs. And Dusty was like, you know, we still have these stock mufflers and Kooks high flow cats on here. Let's drop them. And he ended up doing that when I wasn't there, so I didn't get that pull on video, but it picked up over 30 rear wheel horsepower and 30 foot-pounds of torque from just dropping the axle backs. No changes to the tune, which stayed perfect. No changes to the intake. The cats are still on it. Literally dropping the axle backs picked up 30 horsepower on the stock Caprice mufflers. So we're going to put some solo pipes on there, solo J's, so that way he'll get all the horsepower that this car will make. It made, with the exhaust dropped, over 466 rear wheel horsepower. So for a pretty mild cam TSP2, great combo and great numbers. After this, you will see the see it idling out. I didn't get it on video, the pulls, I apologize. And the dyno sheet showing the before the exhaust was removed and after, to show how much horsepower and torque it picked up everywhere. Thanks again. Until next time.